Of a magpie that might come to eat these nuts, who do you think should come?
A pelican or a stork or the grebe.
Pelican or a stork or a grebe. Any more?
Or the flying snail bird.
A snail bird. Okay.
Or a cabby bird.
Don't just make things up.
Story.
What about that?
Also bird.
No. Why don't you actually do birds? What's the pink bird called?
Flamingo.
Maybe. Or what?
An ostrich.
An ostrich. He might like those nuts. How about what's that one that lives in the savannah in those little round nests?
That's a cuckoo bird.
No.
Cuckoo.
No.
I love this cuckoo.
Begins with a W.
A what? Nest. That's right, weaver bird.
Weaver bird.
I'm weaving it.
And what about that red bird?
That's a stork.
No.
A robin?
Could be a robin, but I meant that one that we was talking about this earlier. It's red and it goes down low.
That's closer.
No.
Eagle.
Okay, maybe. I was talking about a swallow.
Swallow.
What about that blue bird?
That's a kingfisher.
Good. And what about the one with a funny nose?
I don't know.
Looks like a spoon.
That spoonbill is a bit funny.
It is. And what about the other one that's in your red book? Right near the beginning.
That's a scroll.
Hmm?
A scroll.
Okay. Any more birds we might get? Blackbirds.
Blackbirds and puffins.
Puffins, that's a good one.
Woodpeckers.
Woodpecker, yeah.
And penguins.
Oh, yeah. What about that little blackbird that's on the farm? It's got little white dots.
That's a dot bird. A duck bird? What is it then?
You know that little black one we've got? We've got two of them.
Is it
Begins with a G.
g-
Gin.
Fisher?
Not kingfisher. Guinea.
Oh, good job. Guinea pig.
No.
Oh. Guinea.
What's it? Guinea?
Guinea.
A guinea fowl.
A guinea fowl. Good job, a guinea fowl.
And what's the smallest bird in the world called?
A blackbird.
Nope.
A kingfisher.
Nope.
A peacock.
No, they're all big birds. I said, what's the smallest bird?
A geek.
That big. Got a long beak. Likes to drink nectar from flowers. It's called a
Honey.
What?
Good job, a honeybee.
No, that's a bee.
Why are you asking? Birds don't eat honey.
I said nectar. And I meant a humming bird.
Hummingbird.
That's what I was thinking. What about penguins? Penguins, they're birds.
Peacock.
Yeah, what's the other type of peacock?
A peahen.
Good. And what's that other bird begins with a quah?
Hen.
Hen, yeah. What about the bird that begins with a quah?
Tinny.
Huh?
Chicken.
Quah?
Good job.
What?
Good job, Daddy. A quail.
A quail, yeah. And what about the ones with big eyes that are very wise?
There's an owl.
What type of owl?
A barn owl.
A barn owl.
Barn owl.
Any more? What about the one that lives in the cold?
Good job, Arctic owl.
Yes. Or... I was thinking of snowy owl, but okay.
Yeah, Arctic I want snowy owl.
And what about...
They're good ones.
They are good ones. So we said penguins. What sort of penguins are there? Because it's not just one type of penguin.
Emperor penguin.
M for penguin, good.
Blue penguin.
Blue penguin.
Macaroni penguin.
That's a good one.
Funny.
He is funny.
Are they?
Do you remember the one that's got a thing under its chin?
Guinea penguin.
Okay. And what about the one that jumps?
Whopping penguin.
Rock hopper penguin.
Yeah, what copper penguin?
Good. There's also Chilean penguins.
Guinea penguin. And penguin.
Just penguins. And what about the bird that's like an ostrich? You didn't say his friend.
Emu.
Emu, good. And what about the bright, colourful birds that live in the jungle?
That's toucan.
Toucans and...
I'm getting for this.
No. They go. Big red birds and blue birds and yellow. They've got little beaks and they say sometimes...
I see cockatoo.
Cockatoo, that's good, but that's not what I was thinking.
Cockatoo and a peacock.
What? Granny Pig has got one.
Probably parrot.
Parrot, yeah. Any more?
Get me out now.
What's one of these birds? What are they?
They're skinny owls.
No, they're not guinea fowl.
Get me out.
They begin with a b. B. Bud.
Yeah, good go, Buzzy.
Budgies, yeah. Is that all of the birds we know?
Yes.
You sure?
Hermit crab bird.
Hermit crab?
Hermit crab bird.
That's not a bird.
Get me out.
Okay. I thought we were looking at birds on our story.
Huh?
I thought we were doing a story where we were looking for birds.
Yeah.
So, out of all of those birds, 1 second, out of all of those birds, which one do you think is going to come and eat our bird seed? Which one?
Flamingo.
The flamingo. Okay, so we'll look out the window and we'll see if a flamingo comes.
But
Good.
flamingos are in the zoo.
So how's he going to eat the seeds?
Maybe a woodpecker could eat.
Could be a woodpecker. What's the most common bird that we see all of the time? The bluebird that you see at the park and in our garden. He's small, a bit fat, orange eyes.
What's that?
Goes like this.
Crow.
Not a crow, begins with a P.
Crow. Peacock.
Not a peacock.
That's also got a P.
It does, but I was thinking of a pigeon.
Pigeon.
Maybe pigeons will come and eat it. You didn't say duck.
Duck.
You love ducks.
Swan and goose.
And swan and goose.
And guinea.
Hmm?
Guinea fowl.
And what about the one that goes cock-a-doodle-doo?
That's the cockerel.
Okay. What's the one beginning with an R? R.
Rabbit.
No, that's not a bird. Let's talk about rooster.
Rooster.
Yeah, what's that? Is that the same as a cockerel?
Yes.
Maybe.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
That's how it goes, isn't he? Right, good job. Well, I hope we see those birds soon. You hope we see them?
Yeah. Oh. A guinea swan.
There's no guinea swan.
Guinea fowl.
We did that already.
I know. My favourite one. Is a goose.
A goose. Did we do cuckoo?
Yeah, cuckoo.
Good. Right.
Did all of the birds.
Okay. Good job, John.